back again. Yes, it's another Stryker 955 HPC Plus. This one is for Marcus in Florida, the Sunshine State. Marcus, we got you ready to go. Just the basic tune on this one. I'm going to pull this slug out here. 50-watt slug in there. Start with RF power all the way down. 50-watt slug with the top back wide open. Let's see. There's 2 watts all the way down, so you got plenty of adjustability, Marcus, if you decide to run an amp. And 20 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Low 50 bird. 250-watt slug and peak. Low 120 PEP. Marcus, it's a beauty. It's ready to come to you. I appreciate it, and I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum, bum.